Alright, I'm going to test to see if a single line belt or a even distribution belt will smelt things faster. Apparently these belts are backwards. Alright. We have 1,000 iron ore in both of these chests. Ready to go. Gonna turn off the request on both of them. And then these guys are waiting for the green signal. So give it the green signal and see what happens. Looks like the left side got all the furnaces running slightly faster. Down to the last 3 furnaces versus the last 4 furnaces. So it looks like the left side might win. Yep, there it goes. Left side won. Well, interesting.